Let's take this back from what this was. So that was root 58, and that was cos 3x minus 1.17, I think. Yeah. So it goes here, determine the greatest value of that as x varies and the smallest positive value of x. So the greatest value that can be is when this cos of this angle is 1. So the greatest value is root 58, and that happens when cos 3x minus 1.17 is equal to 1. So cos inverse that, so make sure it's all in radians. I'm just going to quickly do cos inverse of 1, should know it's 0. Take that to the side, you get 3x equals 1.17, and divide it by 3. 1.17 divided by 3, you get the angle 0.39 radians. Okay, so that will be the smallest positive angle. And for D, determine the least value. So the least value is when that's equal to minus 1, so that's minus root 58, and that happens when cos 3x minus 1.17 is equal to minus 1. And if you do the cos inverse of minus 1, you'll get pi. Now, just double checking something, so that will be pi, which is just 3.142. Just give me a second. If I'm adding that, there's 1 here. I'm just double checking in my head if that's going to be the minus. So that's, I've done a sine graph there, sorry. Yeah, and that's going to be way off. So we can ignore that negative value. Sometimes that gets pushed in and it works out to be a positive, but we're just taking pi here. Take that to your side, 3x equals pi, add 1.17, which gives me 4.3115, etc. And then when I divide that by 3, that will be 1.437. Okay, so that's nice and straightforward.